Now we are going to discuss classification of chemical reaction. Classification of chemical reaction. This is unit number first of class 10th, classification of chemical reaction. Actually chapter name is chemical equation and reaction. So classification of chemical reaction, mainly we will study there is 5 type of chemical reaction. First one is combination reaction, second one displacement or single displacement reaction, third one double displacement reaction, fourth one decomposition reaction, and last one is redox reaction. So in the chapter number first we will study 5 type of chemical reaction, classification of chemical reaction. You can see on the board: combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, redox reaction. So combination reaction, displacement reaction is also called single displacement reaction or single replacement reaction, double displacement reaction or double replacement reaction, decomposition reaction, and then redox reaction. So there is mainly 5 type of chemical reaction we will study. Classification of chemical reaction. Now we will study in detail actually what is the actually combination reaction. So now we can study in detail combination reaction, so we can understand also so easily this combination reaction. So now we are going to discuss about the combination reaction. Combination reaction in detail now we will study. Combination reaction. What is combination reaction? So we can define so easily. Combination means combination. We can define so easily when 2 or more than 2 reactants combine to form single product is called combination reaction. So when 2 or more than 2 reactants combine to form single product is called combination reaction. So very easily to understand, this one is also related to our activity. Magnesium combined with oxygen to form MgO, magnesium oxide. This is called, this equation is a skeletal equation because it is not satisfying law of conservation of mass. Now the term is coming, what is law of conservation of mass? So law of conservation of mass, when the mass of reactant, okay, when the weight of reactant is equal to the weight of product is called law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass is given by Lavoisier. Now skeletal equation, all those equations which do not satisfy law of conservation of mass are called skeletal equation. Later on we will also discuss. Our topic is combination reaction, we can satisfy, and that is called actually balanced chemical equation which satisfy law of conservation of mass. So it is very easily, just we will put here 2 to balance the oxygen, and now we will put here 2 to balance Mg, 2 Mg plus O2 combine and giving MgO. We can write this is magnesium oxide. We can write the name magnesium oxide. So quite clear for us to understand. Magnesium and oxygen combine to give magnesium oxide. Some other example we can also take here, that very easy to understand. hydrogen burn in the presence of oxygen to give H2O, water molecule. So we can also balance this one and this. Okay, so this is also another example. We can take 2H2 plus O2 combined to give H2O. So whenever you observe that whenever what is the combination reaction, when two or more than two reactant combine to form single product is called combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction, magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon actually burn and produce light, dazzling white flame actually it gives. So whenever dazzling white flame, if you have seen in your laboratory, whenever you will burn magnesium, dazzling white flame, you will observe it burn and continuously give white powder of magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide actually, this will give white powder of magnesium oxide, H2O. You are well familiar about the water. Other example, hydrogen, example number 1, example number 2, example number 3, I am giving H2, hydrogen combined with actually we can take here hydrogen combined with chlorine to give 2HCl. Directly we can write 2HCl. It is very easy to hydrogen chloride, hydrogen and chlorine actually combining and giving 2HCl, hydrogen chloride. We can write the name hydrogen chloride. So here is 3 example I have given. First, magnesium combined with oxygen to give MgO, hydrogen and oxygen combined to give H2O, hydrogen and chlorine combined to give 2HCl, hydrogen chloride. So all these are the example of combination reaction. So after that, combination reaction actually opposite to decomposition reaction. This is also asked which reaction is opposite to decomposition reaction. So combination reaction. Another example, we can just after that we can study decomposition reaction, but in the sequence I had written displacement reaction. So just after that we can study decomposition reaction. There is the 3 kind of decomposition reaction we can study: thermal decomposition reaction, after that electrical decomposition reaction, and chemical decomposition reaction. 3 different kind of decomposition. Now which reaction is opposite to combination reaction? Decomposition reaction actually opposite to combination reaction. So what is decomposition reaction? Very easily, here is the in the combination actually 2 or more than 2 reactant combine to form single product, but in the decomposition reaction, when 2 or more than 2 reactant combine to form single product, it is called combination reaction. But decomposition reaction, it is opposite. We can write when a reaction in which single product, okay, or we can write a reaction in which generally any substance decompose into its simpler substance is called actually decomposition reaction. Again I would like to explain that one. What is the decomposition reaction? After that we are going to discuss about the decomposition reaction. So first of all, little introduction I would like to give about decomposition reaction. A reaction in which substance generally decompose into its simpler substances are called decomposition reaction. So I will discuss about the decomposition reaction in my next video. Thank you so much.